Hello everyone, welcome to Imacooker channel. And for today's recipe, we are going to make egg chili curry. We're going to use hard-boiled egg and banana peppers and make a wonderful curry. And I've added the ingredients in the description box. Let's get started. To a hot pan, let's add oil. Now we are going to add whole spices. And now we are going to add ginger garlic paste. Saute it. Now we are going to add 1 sliced onions. Mix it. Add a little bit of salt. It helps in cooking the onions faster. After a minute of sauteing the onions, let's add the whole cashews. And we're going to saute it with the onions. After 2 minutes of sauteing, bring it on a medium flame. And to this now we are going to add chili powder, coriander powder, and turmeric powder, and give it a mix. Keep sauteing on a medium flame and adjust the salt and spice according to your taste. Next we are going to add is tomatoes, which I have chopped up. Now add curry leaves, fenugreek leaves, and give it a mix. Add a little bit of chopped up cilantro leaves. Now add water. And bring it to a boil. Once it comes to boil, we're going to cover and cook it for 10 minutes on a medium flame. After 10 minutes, give it a stir. And now we are going to turn off the stove and cool it, and then we are going to blend this mixture. Now we are going to blend the mixture. To a pan, let's add oil. And now we are going to fry the banana pepper and the egg. And when you peel the banana pepper, make sure there is no gap on top, so that when you fry it, the oil doesn't go inside and it makes the pepper soggy. And on the egg, I just drawn like a small lines like this, so it will help the egg to absorb the gravy inside. So let's fry the pepper first. After sauteing for a minute, now let's add the boiled egg. After sauteing for a minute, now let's add the blended mixture. Add 1 cup of water. Now we are going to bring it to boil. Adjust the salt at this time. And bring it to a boil. After a few minutes of boiling and cooking, when your consistency reaches a semi-thick gravy, you can now turn off the stove. Now your egg chili curry is ready. Let's transfer it. And if you liked our video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel and enjoy our recipe. Thank you.